I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your registrar or DNS provider. This gives you control over records. Once logged in, view the existing A, CNAME, MX, and TXT entries so you don't lose settings. Make sure to note TTL values because they affect propagation time. While you have access, back up current records as a screenshot or export. Once done, prepare the exact new DNS name and target IPs, or hosts, so changes are ready to paste into the DNS editor. You now perform the edits. Add or edit the O or CNAME record for the new DNS name and point it to the correct IP or host name because that directs traffic. Next, check MX and TXT records. If email or domain verification relies on the name, update those entries too. Make sure to lower TTL to 300-600 seconds temporarily so changes propagate faster. After saving, verify there are no duplicate conflicting records. Conflicts cause inconsistent resolution across networks and browsers. You finish by verifying the change. Run dig or enslookup and check multiple public DNS servers to confirm the new name resolves to the intended IP. Once you see consistent answers, raise TTL back to a normal value to reduce DNS query load. Also update any application, SSL, or service configurations that reference the old name so nothing breaks. If things go wrong, clear local DNS cache, check registrar name servers, or restore the exported records and try again. These steps address the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.